children. Okay, today we are going to a new lesson of your class. Okay, see, democratic government. Okay, democratic government. Page number, all you have to open the page number 103. Okay, see here we are going to know about the what is a democratic government. See, before that in your textbook, if you see here, they have given like this all. See, this is all are newspaper clips. Okay, this is all are news clips. Okay, in the newspaper, whatever they gave about the government, okay, they give it. See, once you all have to see that governments sought to protect the rights of unorganized workers. Detailed plans to tackle floods soon, says government. Gout fixes price of onions, says no shortage in the market. Supreme Court can have 5 more judges, government. Gout for revamping coal and power sector. Over 15,000 villages declare scarcity hit by government. See, this is all our news clips. Okay, it is all collected from the newspaper, not only within one day, means daily about the government. In the newspapers, whatever they got the news, right? This is all the news clips. See, by looking at all these clips only, you might have going to know about the what are the works of the government. See, if you gonna discuss many works. See, that is our first topic. What does a government do? Okay, first topic of ours. What does a government do? Can you guess first? What does a government do? Just think it once. Are we using government textbooks? Yes. Yes or no? Okay. When you are passing from your home to here, do you found any path? The roads. Who are building the roads? Government. Okay? Yes or no? If you go on to any village, how you will go? By bus. Government is producing the buses. Of course, we are giving some fares. For this also we are giving some fares. But that all organization done by whom? Government. Yes or no? If you go on a railways, yes. If you get any money order or else any letter from anywhere, of course, if your parent or else if your father lives in long place, if he sent a money for you, or else if he sent a letter for you, how you will receive? By the postal. Yes or no? And railways. Who is the owner of the railways? Government. Yes or no? And if anybody came and caused any of the crimes in your place, crime, okay, or else hit off anyone, okay, or else captured that all land, okay, conquered. This is all crime situations. Who will solve? Government, under the custody of the police. Yes or no? That is which department? Government department. Okay, and if you have any problematic about your health, there is a government hospital facilities there. Yes or no? And we are getting monthly some of the rice freely, of course, with comparing to the market price, very less price. We are getting some of food in the ration shop monthly. Who is offering those? Government. Yes or no? And see, many we are getting electricity through the government. Okay, many issues, if you go on to think one by one, many issues, it's all interlinked with the government only, because government is here to do the service for us. Understood? That is the democratic government. Democratic government, we elected, okay, we selected the democratic government to do serve for us. Okay, our nation, our people. Understood? And ruling also of done by our people. Understood? See, one by one we are going to know. First of all, decision. Okay, decision in every situations. Decision made by the government, either in which place to road making, either there which places to giving a irrigation. Irrigation means water facility. Okay, and for example, and in which place should build of dams and projects. Yes or no? The decision making done in many situations by the government. And building the roads. Okay, roads departments it is under government. And the schools and colleges. Okay, run by the government. Schools and colleges. And controlling on prices. If it is any goods or commodities, prices where if it is increased highly. For example, onions. In some seasons, onion prices is increasing so much and so much highly. It's not even a small family cannot go on worthy of it. That much it is high price. Yes or no? So at that time, controlling of that prices. Okay, controlling of that prices done by the government. And supplying of electricity produced in some of places like dam project, power generator places or thermocol electricity places. Okay, that is and produced to the produced and supplied to the people. Of course, for this all we are paying back, but the duty by whom? Government. Okay, action on social issues. Yes, many social issues if we see nowadays, if we see observe in the paper. Okay, many social issues we can see. See that all actions on that all social issues. Okay, that all action done by the government. Yes or no? And run postal services as I discussed with you. Okay, postal services as I told you, if any letters or else money orders, that all postal department under the government. And railways by central government. And protecting the boundaries. Yes, see each and a state have the boundaries and our country has their boundaries. Yes or no? So that all protection in the boundaries. Why we are need a protection? Because we should be aware about, we should be fear about the other countries. Okay, maybe for example many problematic situations in Jammu and Kashmir areas, and recently we have seen with the China. Okay, with China one of the problem arose. Yes or no? So that type of, see if it is in that situations also for protecting. Okay, for protecting the boundaries. Whom we are arranging for the protecting in the boundaries? Armies. Okay, army people. Even in the navy people, we are protecting the boundary in the waterways, oceans and all. Right? And maintain relations with the other countries. Okay, maintain relations with the other countries. Yes, we have to be maintain the relations with the other countries. Even nowadays, people are migrating to other places to live there and to survive there, to work there. Yes or no? So, if we maintain the best relationship with other countries, it should be in a friendly nature. Okay, and we need whatever the resources we can import from them and we can export from them if we maintain the best relations with the other countries. Okay, that is done by the government. And food and health facilities. Yes, food we are getting in the rations. Of course, not for all who are very. Of course, the government is giving for all, but it is suitable. It is used by fruitfully by whom, who are the poorer people. Yes, and the midday meals also offering in the schools. Okay, children are not they are not getting a sufficient food. Okay, so that's why government offered the midday meal in the schools. Okay, in the afternoon they'll give the food in the schools. And assistance the people at disasters times. If any cyclones and the floods or also drought situations, this all depends on the natural, right? Depends on natural. Okay, so at that time, assistance to the people at the disaster times means protecting them and giving health facilities at that times. Okay, and crime issues. If anybody made a mistakes or else if anybody made them to their death, okay, in the all situations also the problem solved by the government in the form of court. Court is also a department in the department under can't get things done. Yes, just whatever I have spoken, that all they gave here. Okay, see, types of government. Here, see, before going to say this types of government, just in the previous lessons we have read about village headmen. Yes or no? We have read about village headmen. Who is village headman? Maybe we called as some patla and all, right? Village headman has to take the responsibilities of all the villagers, whoever lived there. Yes or no? Right? And the village headman only solving any of the problems. Okay, and if it is any cases occurred, he will be the giving judgment and even punishment also. The headman is giving. Yes or no? Okay. See, that is one type of government. But coming to the village headman, if we discuss in this place, see, village headman's place. See, he is responsible for only for the village people. Maybe like 1,000 people, maybe. Right? Okay. So the village headman has the responsible for all of these people, and he should be maintaining the relationship with other villagers, and he will be act as a middle person to these villagers to the other villagers and the officials also. Okay, he has to be look about any of the problems occurred by these people, and some punishments also given by this person. Okay, all regulators or all regulations, all rules have passed by this headman, and these all 1,000 people will be followed by the headman. But here, one thing you have to think, headman is responsible for this, for example, 1,000 members. But here, these 1,000 members related to the same caste, same religion, and the same lifestyle they are leading. Okay, so that is easy. That is easier when comparing to nowadays government. Okay, so okay, here no problematic, no any problematic will arouse by one of the person should be rule of that place. Of course, no, not much of problematic. Okay, and next, if we see that kings and kingdoms place. See, this type of government we are calling as monarchy government. Monarchy means nothing but one fellow. Okay, one fellow when he will rule, he will pass in the rules. Okay, he will pass in the restrictions and even punishments. Okay, even grants, even lendings, anything passed by one fellow. Okay, one person. Okay, that system called as monarchy government. So that kingdoms, in the previous lessons we have learned, right? Kings and kingdoms, right? So in kings and kingdoms situations, the government is a monarchy government. Whatever the rule, whatever the decisions has made by the kings. Okay, of course, by helping of the subordinates, he will take the decisions. But finally, the people have to accept these king's rules. So at that time, some of the different caste people, okay, different religious people were there. That all managed by the kings, by the monarchy. Okay, one person of the ruling. That system is called as monarchy. Here you can look at here. What kind of problems will they face? Similarly, this kind of arrangement worked if all members of the society have the same cultural background. If it is the same cultural background, of course it can be maintained by a one person headman, and population also less. Here, as the rules of behavior would be agreeable to all. However, if a society has people of different culture, will it work? If the society having of people with a different culture people, will it work by one person? No. See, moreover, the tribal arrangement worked where the interests, ambitions and the lifestyle of the people were similar in the tribal people about the village headman at the time of tribal people, right? Yes. So that is worked in the tribal system ways. There were no classes like rich and poor. At the tribal time place, at the tribal time, there is no classes like a rich class, poor class, okay, religions, Hindu, Muslim religions or Christian, not like that, okay. But in societies with varying interests and various classes like farmers, traders, money lenders, industrialists, workers without land or others. Yes or no? Okay, with others can be there, and there would be so many differences that they would not be able to arrive at a common solution to a problem. See, in historical times, kings, queens and emperors made the laws and implemented them with the help of armies and officials. I'll continue. Okay, king's system of ruling we are called as monarchy ruling. Yes or no? In historic times, kings and queens and the emperors made the laws and implemented them with the help of armies and officials. Okay, they'll arrange some of officials to implement their laws. Yes, they also decided where to build roads. Okay, how much tax was to be collected. Okay. Understood? How much tax was to be collected and etc. These are all done by the king only. But he will take the help of whom? Armies, and he will arrange out some of the officials also. If people did not agree with them or did not follow their orders, okay, they punished them. No one could question their authority or disobey their orders. Yes, that's why the term we are calling as monarchy. Okay, whatever their order, people have to be follow that. No, there should not be no disobeys and there should not be no disagree also. Okay, see the monarch. Okay, many kings were not satisfied with ruling their own kingdom. Constantly waged wars to expand their kingdoms, and they do not satisfy with their own kingdoms to be ruling on some years. They want to be expand their kingdom, so they started conquering, started a war. Okay, started wars to war on other places and conquered of that places. Okay, the monarch has the power to make decisions and run the government. The monarch also acts as a supreme judge. Okay, he will act as a supreme judge. Okay, in all important cases of dispute. The monarch may have a small group of people discuss the matters with, but final decision make power by remains with the monarch only. Okay, of course he too will discuss with others who are the officials at the court and all, but the final decision taken by the king. Okay, and he do not need of explain his actions to others. Okay, he do not need of explain his actions whatever. Okay, even he defends of the decisions also. No need of explains to others. See next government. Okay, now our India is democratic country. Okay, our India is democratic country. See, now we are going to know about the democratic government type. Okay, see, one of the ways to accommodate the views of all kinds of people living in the society and prevent oppressive and unjust forces from controlling the government is democratic government. Okay, it was made possible because the struggle of people all over the world against monarchies and their home resolve and develop a form of government which will be in harmony with the people's wishes. See, many people have fed up with the monarchy system and they want to be established the democratic system. Okay, and in this democratic system, about the democratic system, one of the great person, Abraham Lincoln, have said a slogan. See here, a government of the people, by the people and for the people. That means of what? Government is work for the people and selected by the people, and government is people. Okay, See, in this, the people who rule our country, who rule our place, that people selected by remaining all other people. Understood? All the people which are related to the one place, they all select one person as to rule that place. Understood? And by follow the wishes of the people, not as his wish. Okay? Following of the wishes of these people. Understood? See here, there are millions of people living in our country. Okay? The participation by all citizens in the taking decisions may lead to country's number of opinions. This process may consume more time without arriving at any consensus. Moreover, not all citizens are in a position to spend time, money, energy participating in public affairs. How can we solve these problems? Yes, in the democratic government, everybody is responsible. But in all situations, everybody cannot be participate, right? Everybody has their own work. Okay? Then how can the problems will be solved? See here, help in the two principles. We do this with the help of the two principles. The one is representative democracy and another one is rule of the majority. Okay? Representative democracy and another one is rule of the majority. Here there are two ideas, we will understand in a better way. Here I will tell you an example about the representative democracy. See, representative democracy is nothing but our elections. Okay? See, people elect one of the person as their representative, and in the elections voting times also they will be voting for selected person. Okay? And the representative elected by that people, whatever the government orders, he will be follow that orders. And if these people who are elected as a representative, if that people, if they face any of the problems, he will take that notice to the government, and by the government he get into the solve the problems. Understood? See, I'll tell you an example about our Sarpanch elections. Okay? Through the elections, we are selecting the persons. We are electing, right? We are first selecting, then we are electing. Okay? Okay. For example, it depends on the population. So in each village, they divided into wards. Okay? Some groups of people. Okay? For example, if there is 1,000 people, just I'm telling an example. 1,000 people, there is no form of a village, right? Even in a small also, there is more population is there, right? Okay. See, for example, 1,000 people were there. So in these 1,000, they divide as into equal parts of some groups. Okay. Each group they called as ward. Okay. Each group they called as ward. And from these ward people, they have to select one person as their representative. Okay. So these ward people should select one person as their representative. So same like that, all should be select one of the person. Okay. In the form of election, who are crossed 18 years of age, they will be participating in the election process. So they will vote of that person. Here I told you that representative, right? See, in this group of the people, maybe they will select any other people, any another person also. Yes or no? Maybe any another person also will be there. See, who are crossed 18 years of age, those will go for voting, right? In the election process. So, for example, in this 200 people were there. Among these all 200 people, if the votes have reached this one person, 150 votes. The second person, if he got 50 votes, who will be as a representative of this area? Who got 150 votes of this ward, he will be the representative. Understood? Here, the second principle, majority. Second principle, rule of majority, I told you, right? The second principle will be work here. Who got the majority here? The first person, whoever got 150 votes from this ward, he will be the representative. Understood? And even these like elections will be proceed. And after electing of all wards, one of the person they will select as a sarpanch. Understood? Village first person also will call. Okay? Understood? So they will select one of the sarpanch. Even before only, when they are starting as these ward person, a representative of like this, before only people will select of that persons. It depends on that person's manners. Okay, it depends. Maybe that person may be willing to do service. Okay, maybe he knows the knowledge of the political ways. Okay, maybe he is having a power to rule. Okay, these type many of the situations they will think and they'll start off electing of that person. Understood? Here, see. If you can see the picture also, you may can understand. Here they gave the picture of voting in rural areas at the time of sarpanch elections, and here they gave a representative democracy. Okay, see, government representative democracy. They have given the pic. If you see here, you can clearly can understand. Understood? Here, free and fair elections of representative in the basis of our democratic system. Free and fair elections. Okay, free elections and fair without doing of any of such a problematic, right? Some persons will do more and more votes, or else some persons will go for not to allowing of some ward people. Okay, of course nowadays it's not going on like that, because we are going on through the EVM process, right? Electronic voting machine process, right? So in that way there is no mass voting, that type of problems we are not having nowadays. Okay. And different persons or parties advocating different points of view openly discuss their views. These will enable the voters to decide on the candidate they would like to represent them. See, as I discussed with you, so that all I have given here. The representative are expected to stick the viewpoints expressed by them, keep the promises made by them. See, now I told you, people will first select that person. I told you, right? So how they will select, as I told you, depends on the power of that person, and that person also have to give the promises. If you elect me, I'll do these and these. Whatever the problems we are facing, maybe the drainage problem, maybe water scarcity problem, that all I'll solve. Like that, the representatives are giving the promises to the people. Okay, so people will think about whether he will do that, whether he will solve that all, whatever he told promises, right? They will think, then they'll go for voting. Okay, they are also expected to consult the people from time to time and know about their viewpoints and problems. The representatives are elected for a fixed period, usually for 5 years. Okay, sarpanch elections or every MLA or MP elections, every 5 years once they will select. Okay, fresh elections are conducted and the people elect their representative once again. Okay, so read the lesson. I'll continue in the next session.